Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today we're creating a magical and spooky Halloween painting, a glowing moon, dramatic night sky, crashing waves, and a witch riding a broomstick. This project is beginner-friendly and so much fun to paint. Here's what you'll need. Pause here to gather your supplies. The list is also in the description below. Let's get started. Begin by squeezing lamp black and ultramarine blue directly onto your canvas. Using a slightly wet flat brush, blend the colors in horizontal strokes from dark to light, creating a smooth transition for the night sky. This blended background will set the tone for our spooky scene. Work from dark at the top toward lighter tones near the horizon. Let the colors transition smoothly. If you see streaks, soften them out. Now let's paint the glowing moon. With a filbert brush loaded with white, paint a large circle in the upper half of the canvas. Blend gently as you fill it in. Add another layer of white to the moon to make it bright and luminous. Blend this ring outward. Around the moon, use ultramarine blue to create a soft halo glow. With a clean flat brush, blend this ring outward until it fades naturally into the sky. Add another layer of white to the moon to make it bright and luminous. For natural moon texture, lightly dab a sponge loaded with white paint across the moon's surface, leaving some areas softer and lighter. Add small touches of ultramarine with the sponge to create depth and shadow. Outline the moon softly with thin black paint to make it pop against the sky. Flick thin white paint across the canvas to scatter stars. Next, we'll paint a dramatic wave at the bottom. On your palette, place ultramarine, purple, and pink side by side. With a flat brush, start painting a large wave using mostly ultramarine and purple at the base, blending into pink as the wave rises. Use sweeping strokes to follow the wave's curve and add sharp pink highlights at the crest. Use a sponge with white paint to dab along the crest, forming foamy splashes. Drag some paint sideways to mimic wind-blown water, and add smaller splashes in the lower part of the wave to suggest movement and depth. Now for the star of our scene. Follow our lead to carefully draw out a witch riding a broomstick. Use a small brush and take your time to paint this spooky specter. Keep it simple and have fun as you follow along. Fill the silhouette with black for strong contrast. With a liner brush loaded with black paint, create a thin broomstick silhouette across the moon. Extend the broomstick slightly beyond the ghost for balance. Finally, refine the wave by adding white highlights and thin, curved lines over the foam. Keep it simple and have fun as you follow along. Step back and admire your spooky scene. If you enjoyed painting with us today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly step-by-step acrylic painting lessons. And if you're ready to take your creativity further, join our painting community with free challenges, a free mini course, and special community pricing for our full course. Head to acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to discover all your options, from flexible monthly subscriptions to special community-only pricing. Thank you for painting with us, and we'll see you next time.